Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. If you are new here, my name is Silky and I would love if you guys would subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I am going to do a face off between two mascaras which belongs from the brand Benefit Cosmetics. The first one is their real mascara and the second one is Bad Gal mascara. We'll compare both the mascaras and see which one is worth the hype. Their real mascara comes in this silver grey packaging and the Bad Gal one comes in this black packaging. So let's compare the wands. This is how the wands looks like. The right one is their real mascara wand and the left one is Bad Gal mascara. Their real mascara wand is a plastic wand with small spikes all over it, and you can see a dome shape on the top with spikes on it. Bad Gal Bang mascara also has a plastic wand. It comes in this thin wand with spikes all over it, which are assembled in this cone shape. In the front you can see the spikes are very small and thin, but on the end they are very large and thicker. So I have these mascaras in mini sizes and they both retail for 1240 rupees and you get 4 grams of product each. Now let's see what does these mascaras claim. They are real mascara. Lengthening mascara lengthens, curls, volumizes, lifts and separates. The jet black long wearing formula won't smudge or dry out. A specially designed brush reveals lashes you never knew you had. Their real mascara claims to be a lengthening mascara which lifts and separates your lashes. Bad Gal Bang 36-hour full blast volumizing mascara creates massive volume without weighing down lashes. The gravity defying formula contains aero particles, one of the lightest known materials derived from space technology. This innovative intense pitch black mascara layers easily for bigger and bigger impact. Its custom big slim packed brushes streamlined to reach root to tip, corner to corner, upper and lower lashes for big volume with 360A reach. Bad Gal Bang mascara claims to be a volumizing mascara. The claims of this mascara are very high. Let's see that it stand up to the mark or not. Now without wasting any time, let's apply these mascaras. First I'm applying their real mascara on the left eye. This is how it looks with the first coat. Now applying it on the lower lash line. The wand is very stiff. It is a bit difficult to apply. This is how it looks with the first coat. Now I'm going to apply a second coat. This is how it looks with the second coat. It looks a bit clumpy, actually not a bit, quite clumpy, and I don't think I should apply third layer. So this is how their real mascara looks after 2 coats. You can see my bare lashes and with the mascara. Now I'm going to apply Bad Gal Bang on the right eye so that you can see the difference between both the mascaras. The applicator is quite nice and it's pitch black. With this wand it is very easy to apply. This should be a lengthening mascara rather than a volumizing mascara because you can see the difference. Their real mascara is a lengthening mascara but it doesn't give any length to my lashes, and this one is a volumizing mascara, the Bad Gal one, and you can see my lashes. and it's gripping all my lashes from root to tip. Let's apply on the lower lashes. It is actually easy to apply on the lower lashes as well because the wand is so flimsy. You can see it is so flimsy and flexible. This is how it looks with the first coat. Now I'm gonna apply a second coat. So this is how it looks after second coat. You can definitely see the difference between both the eyes. Seriously, this eye I can't feel the mascara because it is genuinely very lightweight. This one, the left one, feels a bit clumpy and I can genuinely feel it on my eyes, but not this one for sure. And these lashes look way better than these. They look so much fuller. One thing I just noticed right now, that this mascara, the formula of this mascara is so heavy that it is weighing down my lashes and it has joined all the lashes and clumped up. But this Bad Girl one has lifted my lashes, and you have seen I have applied 2 coats, and after that this has lifted and this one hasn't. Now let's compare both the mascaras and see which one is better. Their Real mascara feels a bit heavy on the eyes, but on the other hand, Bad Girl one feels very lightweight and doesn't weigh your lashes down. Their Real mascara was a bit difficult to apply on the bottom lashes as the wand was a bit stiff, but on the other hand, the Bad Girl one was very easy to apply on the bottom lashes because the wand was flimsy and very flexible. I would definitely go for Bad Girl Bang Mascara. It made my lashes look more longer and fuller. It did what it claims to be and it's worth the hype. I am in love with it and I would definitely recommend you guys to buy this one rather than Their Real one. But if you like that one, you can buy that one also. So guys, let me know in the comment box which one did you like the most, and if this video was helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.